Disclaimer. Please note that Cryptonymous does not provide financial advice. I am by no means a financial advisor, and I will always suggest to do your own research before investing in anything. Remember that investing always bears a risk, so please do it with caution. Cryptonymous only aims at providing information for educational and entertainment purposes only, as well as pointing out my own personal visions and predictions about cryptocurrencies. Now, back to the video. Hello guys, this is going to be a very quick tutorial to show you how to buy Elongate. Personally, I use pancakeswap and the MetaMask wallet. I'm going to show you how to set up your MetaMask properly so that you don't lose your funds. Then I'll show you how to transfer BNB from Binance to your MetaMask wallet and connect it to pancakeswap. In order to buy Elongate, you will need a Binance account and you will also need a MetaMask wallet. Let me know below if you have any troubles with buying Elongate. I will make sure to help you out and answer all your questions. Before we begin, if you are into crypto or you are just getting started, please consider subscribing to the channel for more cryptocurrency content. A like on this video would be greatly appreciated as it helps out with the algorithm as well. Also, I know your time is valuable, so if you want to, watch this video in higher speeds. Now, let's begin. First of all, you will need a MetaMask wallet. Go to metamask.io and click on Download Now. I personally am using the Brave browser, and this is what I would recommend you to use as well if you are into cryptocurrency or you're looking to get into it. Then you will click here, Install MetaMask for Brave, and after you set it up, it should appear right here in your plugin section. Once you set up your MetaMask, click on the icon here and this window will pop up. Here you will enter your password. And this is what you should be seeing after you successfully log into your MetaMask wallet. Now, in order to buy Elongate from pancakeswap, we need a Binance Smart Chain mainnet. Right now we are at the Ethereum mainnet. If you try to send BNB to your Ethereum mainnet, you will only lose your funds, so this is very important. All that you're going to see in your MetaMask wallet here in networks is going to be those 5 networks. And in order to get the Smart Chain network, you need to go to Custom RPC. And here in those spaces, you will input the following information. Here is the information that you need to input for each of the spaces in your MetaMask wallet. Right here, if you want, just pause the video. After you're done inputting this information into your network, click Save, and you will get your Smart Chain address right here. Now, what you need to do is buy some BNB coin on Binance using your Binance account. And after you have some BNB, you're going to go to your wallet, Fiat and Spot. You're going to click on Withdraw. And after you have clicked on Withdraw, you're going to select the BNB coin. You're going to select Binance Smart Chain. This is very important. If you select the Binance chain only, you will lose your funds. So make sure it's the Binance Smart Chain. Here, you're going to open your MetaMask wallet. Make sure it's on the Smart Chain, and you're going to copy this to your clipboard. And you will paste it in this space right here. And then you're going to select the amount that you want to withdraw. As you can see, it's a minimum of 0.1 BNB. 0.1 BNB right now equals to $53.32. So this is the minimum amount that you need to withdraw to your MetaMask. Before, you could withdraw smaller amounts, but with the introduction of coins such as Elongate and SafeMoon, Binance decided to increase this minimum withdrawal to 0.1 BNB. After you have set the amount that you want to withdraw and you've inputted your address, you're going to click on submit, and after some minutes or maybe up to an hour, you should see your funds in your MetaMask wallet right here. When your funds arrive, you're going to go to the Elongate website, which is elongate.cc. You're going to click on buy on pancakeswap right here. This will take you to this screen. You click I understand and continue. And now you need to connect your wallet, your MetaMask wallet to pancakeswap. You do so right here, connect. You select MetaMask. You click on confirm. And now if your wallet has been connected, it should look something like this. It should have blue letters and your icon. Now you're going to go here. You should see the balance of BNB that you have and the balance of Elongate that you have. After you have swapped the places of BNB and Elongate, you're going to click on the amount that you want to swap for Elongate. In your case, it will be something like 0.1 minimum and the amount after this. You're going to click on maximum or however you want to. You're going to input it here. Then you're going to see the number of Elongate tokens that you're going to get in exchange for the amount of BNB right here. It will display right here. Then before clicking swap, you will click on settings and you will set this slippage tolerance to 11%. This is very important because otherwise your transaction may not go through. This is just how the technology of Elongate works. After you have set your slippage to 11%, make sure that the version below is the V1 because the V2 seems to have a lot of problems recently. After you've done all this, you're going to click swap. What I would recommend is to disconnect your wallet from pancakeswap once you complete the swapping, because pancakeswap has the tendency to get hacked a little bit too often, and some people have experienced loss of their funds and their tokens. So in order to disconnect your wallet, you're going to click on your MetaMask browser plugin right here. Then you're going to click on this connected button right here. Click on the three dots of your account and you're going to click on disconnect. Now we're disconnected and your MetaMask wallet is safe. Now, in order to view your tokens, you're going to go on MetaMask. You're going to click on those three dots right here and click on View in Explorer or in BSC Scan. Here, where it says token, you can see how much your Elongate is worth. And here you can see all the transactions that you have done in this wallet. And this is everything that you needed to know. Now you're holding Elongate in your MetaMask wallet. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like below. I will really appreciate it. If you have any problems, leave them in the comments. I will always reach out to you and help you out with anything that comes up. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.